So I brought the handrail here in my shop, and anywhere I could find a crack, I've tried to squeeze some glue down in there, and then I have reclamped it up. I think I'm going to let this thing cook for a couple days. I was going to go ahead and sand today, but I think I'm going to just let it sit for a few days and make sure that it's as cured as it can be to give it the best chance of success.
Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's Workshop. Well, since my last video, I have removed the handrail from the treehouse. I brought it here to my workshop, looked for any cracks or gaps I could find in the lamination, and I put glue in there and reclamped everything, and I've just let it sit for a few days. It may not have needed it, but I thought I'm in no hurry, so might as well let it sit here in a controlled environment and fully cure. Now, as I take the clamps off, I'm going to put screws about every 6 inch, offsetting them on each side, and I'm doing this just as a little bit of an insurance policy. I have never glued pressure treated wood. It should be okay, but it doesn't hurt me to put screws in it, and it's not like it's a fine piece of furniture where the screws are going to be unsightly. So I'm going to do that, and then after I get the screws in, I'm probably going to start with a power planer and knock all the high spots off, and then switch to the belt sander and try to start shaping this and smoothing it out. Well, let's see how it goes.
Lord, can you give me a little bit of grace? Oh, can you hear me? It's been one of those days. So I'll be waiting down by the riverbanks. You know I'll be praying, so please don't delay. Please don't delay. Lord, can you give me a little bit of faith? I want to believe, and I don't want to break. A moment of relief would go a long way. You know I'll be praying, so please don't delay. Please don't delay. Better days are coming, so I'll keep kneeling in the mud. Show me better days are coming, so I'll keep kneeling in the mud. Show me better days are coming, so I'll keep kneeling in the mud. Show me better days are coming, so I'll keep kneeling in the mud. Lord, can you give me a whole lot of strength? 'Cause I keep reliving every single mistake. That handle of whiskey keeps calling my name. Oh, I'll be praying, so please don't delay. Please don't delay. Please don't delay. Please don't delay.
so the handrail's finished. I still have to add my first step here. It'll be right in between these two trees. Now the handrail is not perfect. You can see, if you come here close, you know, I did not sand it all the way down flush. I sanded it to where it's smooth to the touch, but I just didn't, you know, at the end of the day, it's a tree house, and I have to remember that. And so the effort I put into sanding is definitely reflective of that. You know, the bottom, I just sanded enough to get all the roughness off, but still probably one of the fanciest handrails you'll see in a kid's treehouse. Now I just gotta finish this deck up here, and then a whole nother story. Well, I wanted to come out tonight and get this handrail finished for you guys so I could upload the video tomorrow. So hopefully you enjoy this. If you like this kind of video, click that thumbs up button. If you don't like it, click the thumbs down. Leave me a comment telling me why though. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you. Click that subscribe button. And if you want to get a notification every time I post a new video, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Holding on, tell me what you want, darling. We together, you and me. Want to see the sun shine through your very soul, dear.